message. It can be powerful. So if you don't touch and don't put your body in relation to this person, I think she just feels shaken around, or she feels she's dancing with a ghost. And then certainly in connection again, if we talk about relation to each other, it's not powerful enough because you don't feel it, we don't see it. You see, we don't see your relation. Therefore, it is not good enough, the movement. Clear? And then, of course, the direction and the space you use in relation to another person needs to be visual. You need to do it, we need to visualize it, but we need to see it also. And if you now just tighten all the time, first of all, I see only a stiff body, that's all I see. And I can see how much effort and power you put into stiffness. It's amazing. And if you're stiff, you can't move. Yes? Do you think a 100-meter runner is stiff? He's like this. It's not even going that. He will be last. But the ones who throw the energy into the room and have the legs working in systematic, they will be the fastest. So also, if you want to be faster, you need to be more relaxed in your body. And how many times you tighten your body because you want to be faster? That's the cha-chas I always see. And energy just, and nothing inside at all. The inside is fast and the after is already an elongation and showing the music after. And how many times you attack the cha-cha or the paso doble stiff and hard? Because that's more powerful. Or the energy towards this movement, and it's fast, it's not about the noise. It's about how your body elongates and shows the movement. Yeah? It looks different. Yeah? But power is always a release of energy, and if you feel it strong and hard, you like that this is the best. But this is where I think you're killing the movement, you're killing the music, and you kill the relation to your partner. Now this is very important part of what you are actually judged on. You are judged, are you dancing in relation to the music? You are judged in, can we see the organization or mechanics? Are they in relation? Can we see how you are informing from the body the girl and she is reacting? Is there an action and a reaction? Or is it all at the same time? Yes? That in the end up, we look like a formation. In a formation, 80 couples or 60 people need to look exactly the same. But this is not dancing. It's like Chinese circus, no? Very good, amazing, but not what you want to look like if you dance Latin American dance. There's a leader who produces and a follower who relates. So if you are all the time at the same moment, I don't think it's going to happen. And if your body has no inner space and movement or the flow of the action, you have never weight change, you never have power. So this is when sometimes you're killing yourself by being more strong and mindful because you want to be strong. Because if you're not strong, you think it's not good enough, yes? And you tighten your body far too much and find no freedom in your movement. You understand? That's why sometimes you kill yourself very nicely. Clear? Yes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.